Fifth standard students, we were talking about this. So I will send you the image how you can draw the windows of this. Then the correct, now you can see here the correct deep drawing is, see here the shape is changed. Here the correct shape is, everywhere you can see the surface square. This also you can see the square, this also you can see the square, but it is not a perfect. Okay, and this is the only surface, but we can draw. Okay, so this also, which of the drawing look correct to you, discuss. So it's not perfect, it's not it, this, and when you will close this, then we will get. So I will send you answer of this also. And then already we discussed this cutout to fold it to make a cube. Okay, which of these are correct deep drawing of the cube? Now see here, when you practically you will do this, you will get the answer of this, these. Okay, and another also, because see here 2 on the top, when you will fold 3 will be in the side. So I will send you answer of this also, but you will try a simple way to draw a cube. You can see here, this also you can draw. In the same way, make a deep drawing of a box which look like this. So till now you have not seen the images of this. So try to draw and then sing. Now turn the page. Matchbox play. You can see Naveen and Pratigya made drawing of bridge. The bridge looks like to me from where I am standing. Okay, he's telling. From your drawing I can make out how long and how high the bridge is, but I cannot make out his how wide is. You can see the bridge looks like this to me, because side view she is standing in this view and height she can see. Okay, so that's why she drawn this. She has drawn this way. Okay, now if you look at the bridge from the top, how will it look like? Choose the right drawing below. So this, look at the photo and try to make a deep drawing of this bridge. Make a drawings to show how this bridge will look like from the top, from the front, from the side. Children, you will do this chapter practically, then only you will be able to do. Make a matchbox model which look like this. So with the help of matchbox you will do this from the side, and then practically, because you will do, then you will learn. It's not possible every time. Teacher can also give you ideas, advice, she can advise you, but practically you will do, then only you will learn in proper way. Okay, so also make a deep drawing of the model in your notebook. How many cubes are needed to make this interesting model? Here are some drawings of the model. Mark the correct top view drawing with T and the correct side view drawing with S. So you will find T. Here are some drawings of the model. You can see. Mark the correct top view with T and the correct side view with S. So you will send, and first you will think, and definitely I will help you. Clear? And when you will do, definitely you will get the clear idea for these two activities. Now I will give you idea what you have to write in this chapter and how to write, and I will send the PDF also. Here the chapter is finished. Now I will teach you chapter number 8. Okay.